You want pursue man, come on from house where you beat.
You know what I can do, so let him go.
God will judge you.
Let him go.
This thing you are doing, God will judge you.
How to handle me?
You don't know how to handle you. How?
Yes.
Handle. You come 3 times out of 5 when I come. It never do you. I beg, madam, let me tell this.
Come inside, come and pack your things and go away.
He's not going anywhere. What's up, guys? It's your girl Julie with the attitude that cures wahala. So today I'm here with
Sunday.
all right, today I don't want to be looking at your face because I feel bad already. Like things are really happening. Really happening. So today I'm here with Mr. Sunday. Mr. Sunday, please can you repeat what you told me today?
Yeah, you had the last call I made.
Yes.
And it's so terrible. Like these days, I don't understand what marriage is becoming. I work offshore. Normally, there's always been 1 month out, 1 month in, or 2 weeks out, 2 weeks in. So most of the times, I'm not always at home. I've been hearing reports about my wife, as in all these small boys waiting for area, they tumble on. But I refuse to believe rumor or whatever. But right now, even when I come home, her attitude, the way she talked to me, at times she can even slap me with it tear 2 men at the same time. As a woman go, they slap me, I no go feel raise hand, they look am because of this feminist shit. And right now, she's even telling me like we have to go to court, get a divorce, and she's going to clean my own house. As in, let me call for I'm in my own house. As in, the idiot, one guy wey meet me for junction, that organizer place where I show you. As in, the guy is even proud of having an affair with her. I've asked her, may we go hospital, may we go check ourselves. She no gree go. Me, I don't go test myself. I'm not sterile, for God's sake. I'm okay. Emi omo, why to bring mama shemi by, as in I can do and undo, but not to a lady, but not to a woman, for God's sake. And I don't want to take the law into my hands before it becomes something else. Madam, I beg, I don't know.
Since this complaint get to me,
I've been keeping quiet about this for a long time, but I just can't take it again.
Since this complaint get to me, guys, I've been the one telling him to calm down, be a man, this and that. But he got reach where he reach. What is it? They're trying to. I don't understand. A lot of men are going through a lot, and they don't even have that. A lot of them don't. A lot of them are dying silently because if they come outside, they go say, waiting, you be man now. You know those kind of things. Some of them say they die for shit. You know, if you even come outside, can't talk.
If na food that they give, if na attention that they give, if na midnight cruise that they cruise. But I have to work. Where's the job in Nigeria? So if I have to go 2 weeks off and 2 weeks on, won't I go for it? After it's paying me well, and I'm taking care of her.
If you know still take care of her, now she go still tell you say you don't have
that land where I build on top. If you know the kind of illegal work where I work to build the house, say you go know the pains and sweat where I go through before I get this particular job where I can't take build them. The land itself, how I take buy am, she no go understand. Now wetin men they do, as in real men. No be only arm robber be the hard work. No be only ritual be the hard work. Be you go prefer to do ritual yourself.
Okay, you don't do. Calm down. You don't do. See, the thing they pay me. As in, I don't even know how we want to talk this one. How woman, your own husband, you go change key. Tell her say making come out from house. I don't understand.
She think even the gate padlock she change them.
No worry, more.
I'm not telling her say they come midnight. I reach. I use my own key to open the gate. The gate no open. Until I have to call her say I did that. She said me for don't inform her say they come.
For your own house where you build.
Sometimes now they could say person key. I don't see 99 no.
Okay, don't do. Just calm down. The thing is so annoying. The thing is so painful. Like
I don't see 99.
So for reach there now, we'll not go see gate to enter. No worry, we'll go enter. Now me go.
When you see it, when you follow me reach there, you go see her character now. May we enter motor. She be na motor be this. May we enter motor. May we go. You reach there, you go see her character.
Guys, this is so painful.
I don't need to say anything.
This is so painful.
I bang, nothing to please am. Buy clothes, buy shoes, nothing to please am.
My sister, the thing tire me.
I just be empty come as I did now.
Okay,
No
it's
resources dey inside my body as they see me so.
Oh,
And I wasn't cheating on her.
it's okay. Just calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. Stay
Open gate
tuned.
for
Let's go and meet
Before
her.
I leave off.
Where guys, I don't wait for.
As they call am.
Since how many hours will they here? I don't stand here. If I'm not mistaken, I don't stay here more than 40 something minutes.
1 hour.
Yes, my legs have don't depend me. I don't know who tell me how we are shoot
She dey
today.
inside.
And the dad say
I don't dey ring again.
And the dad say she no dey inside.
She dey.
Inside.
Why she wan go? Me I know am. She no just wan pick. She no just wan pick.
Oh, wow.
I dey gate for like 30 minutes. You don't pick. I dey gate for like 30 minutes. You no grip open gate for me. Your own house or my house? See, I just want pack my remaining things. Me and you go meet in court. But me, I just pack my remaining things comot first.
In the court call.
Him don cut am.
Hey,
I'm not trying am again.
Ha! Now wow for this life. Men are still going through a lot to guy.
Yeah, should be that.
Wish out that you build
The way you dey do sometimes, I go just dey quiet for
Do
you
what?
because
Mama, we've been standing here
We've been
close to how
standing here
many
for
hours?
almost
Almost
30
30 minutes.
Who are you, by the way?
I'm a TV presenter, please.
And so?
What's all
And
this?
so?
Wait
Wetin that
now,
one?
you
Mr.
just
Man,
come
you don
back
start.
something. Why you want beat am?
You don't
That one
start,
that you don't
abi?
come to my house anymore.
Is this one your
what
house?
What do? It's my house. We build together, okay?
You and who?
Me and you now.
Are you mad?
Who is mad? I'm not mad. I'm not mad, Mr. Man.
Jesus Christ, madam, calm down now.
How dare you? How dare you?
I don't want to beat you. I don't want to beat
Who are you? Who are you?
Hold this thing for me.
You dey beat your husband. You dey.
Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey worry you?
Okay,
You dey beat your husband. I dey tell you, you dey do wetin. You dey come here, you dey slap me. Wetin dey worry you?
Wait.
Wetin dey worry you?
Wait for am.
Where that key?
Wait.
Where the key?
You see what it cost? You see what it cost?
Where that key?
You see what it cost? So you bring somebody to my house.
Where is the key? Come outside.
You bring somebody to my house. Where is the key? Come and see me.
Now the key be this.
Take the whole key.
How no enter my own house?
This the other one. Pick am. Enter your house.
Nonsense.
Wait, calm down. Do not house.
Person wey you never know before. You never see am before. You no go first calm
We
down.
build the house together.
What calm down for am? No wahala.
Madam, calm down.
Shey we build am together. Make me and
Calm
Papa
down.
comot for the house wey we build together.
Calm down.
No
Sit
problem
down.
now.
Madam, sit down.
I mean they carry woman.
No.
Okay,
the carry man.
Supporting you. You're supporting you.
Why you no lis ten to her first?
That is no good.
give me my record. Why you doing like this?
You enter the house.
House wey you build, abi house wey you no
Who
build?
Who shout?
If I do wetin dey my mind,
Wetin dey your mind?
I go keep person pikin.
Wetin you wan do? No fit do anything.
I will say now. I will say you be man.
I beg.
I will say you be guy.
You beg. I don't want to listen to you anymore. Just come inside. Come and pack your things and go away.
He's not going anywhere.
You know, he's going.
He's not packing anything.
With him. I'm not doing anything with him anymore.
Me sef I no want.
He's not going
Fucking
anywhere.
tired, man.
He's going, no matter.
He's not going
It's none of
anywhere.
your business, okay?
Who build this
I'm
house?
talking to you. He's both of us that build the house.
Who bought this land?
It's both of us.
You didn't know me when
Wait,
I bought this land.
now
Yes.
una two build this house. I
I
want
didn't
understand.
even know her when I bought this property.
We start
When
from
I bought the
beginning.
land, she know
Started
this
from
year.
the
Madam,
foundation.
I have evidence.
Why you lying?
Person wey sell land for me still dey alive. They no
Why
know
are you
am.
lying?
Person wey build
You are a
this,
liar.
the foreman wey build this house
You are
no know
a
am.
wicked man. You are a wicked
I never
man.
even marry am then.
Madam, why are you like
Enter
this?
this house, na him I paint am. No be say I build am.
This man now where you dey fight, you dey pursue from him own house. You don't catch and cheat on you before.
I've never catch him before.
You never catch him.
Yes.
How many times this man don't catch you? They cheat on her.
Spirit.
Wait, how many times wait this man don't catch you? They cheat on her.
He has never even catch me for
Shagun,
Okay, you never catch him.
my
Like
friend.
Shagun.
Just my friend.
for on top of
your
bed,
friend in my house
Friend.
on top
At
of
night.
Don't enter my room.
on top of your own bed.
Inside the room.
at night.
How you take? No, that
You
day,
know I was coming.
that day.
Oga, stop lying. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar.
Did
Stop lying.
is Shegun wearing clothes that day or not? No, I want to know.
Around 9:30, 10, the guy they lie down on top of my sofa.
It's a lie.
Is Shegun wearing
Lie.
clothes that
Yes,
night?
wearing
This guy na guy. I was tearing am to pieces now.
Okay, no worry, just calm down.
Kiwu.
Shey na your key you wan collect?
Kiwu.
See,
Fine.
This one sef no be the original key. She don change all the locks.
Enter inside. Anyone wey no dey check this one.
can't
test
even
this one.
enter.
And madam, relax o.
You cannot enter.
Madam,
this house
relax
anymore.
o.
You cannot enter because I've already
For the
changed
last time, relax. Oh.
Do not catch me with
I don't just want to wound you. Relax.
You can't wound me for him.
Relax.
Because I don't know what is really happening. It's what he told you that you are fighting for.
Understand.
Please, madam, just respect yourself.
Number one, you don't cheat on this man. He don't catch you with man.
Respect yourself, please. I don't know you from anywhere before.
The day where I want just find out something from you. I just want to hear the truth.
a
The day where this woman catch you, the day where the man catch you, your husband catch you, that day, Shegu, wetin Shegu wear? No be bossers.
Put on clothes. It's
Bossers is it
not
clothes?
It's not what he was telling you.
But wait, is it not
not clothes.
butter?
Did you see how with your? You did see him with your?
But wetin him wear na
that blue
bossers?
boxers now cloth.
His clothes.
And na even your husband, na even your husband bossers him wear.
Yes, I don't know.
How this Shegu of
never
a guy
late,
go
oh.
come your house, come dey wear your boyfriend, your husband bossers?
It can never happen.
You never late. I fit kill
Oga,
am.
please go inside. You know you're not killing anybody. Just
You
go
never late. I
inside,
fit kill am.
You know, enter this house.
madam.
There's no
There you go.
Let's respect
I
ourselves,
wish you were a guy.
madam. Let's respect
Babe,
ourselves.
I wish you were a guy. You for not the saw.
Abeg, check this key, check am. Madam, for the
I
last
already
time.
locked it.
For the last
There's no
time.
way for you to enter this house anymore.
For the
I've told
last
you.
time.
You stay outside. Let me
Madam,
bring your things out. So that
for
you'll be going. You are not more enter this house again.
Don't worry yourself. For the last time, excuse us. Madam, for the
Go
last
pack your
time.
things and go out from this house.
For the last time, open this door. If you didn't open it now, you will not like me. For the last time, open this door.
Let's go and pack in things and go away.
Open it first, let him enter.
We will meet in court now.
Oh yeah.
Madam, come back.
I'm not coming back.
Come hold this thing for me. Come hold it for me. Come back. Madam, come outside. Come outside. Make me take what you want take. Now you build house.
I'm not a build.
Now you build
I'm
house.
not a build the house.
Now you build house.
You build it together.
You know how much of the assessment?
It's none of your business, madam.
You know how much of the assessment? You want pursue man come from house where you build. You want pursue man come from house where you build. Change key up and
Come
down.
out, oh.
Pack with she's not.
Pack your things and come
Oga,
out.
I say make you just test the whole key. Don't pack anything outside. It's your house. Just take this whole key. Come test the gate. He's packing nothing. What? How much you put for the house? You want pursue person come out?
We share the money.
With my length.
We share the money
I don't
before,
drink
you don't
Giacomo.
lie.
I don't drink Coco Samba. Nothing wey I no drink to work on now. You know they satisfy am.
The key dey work.
You
Check
don't
all of
stress
them.
anymore. Please, just let us to rest.
If marriage don tire you, just talk am. No dey do like this.
Marriage is not tired. I'm just tired of this man. That is it.
So you want how you take if na your brother? I want just understand how you go sweet to say you pursue your brother wife pursue your brother comot from house wey him build.
My brother can never do a something like that.
So wetin dis man dey do wey you no like? Talk to me, I'm a woman, I'm lis ten ing to you. Wetin he dey do? Make you no go work. If you no go still go do that work wey he dey do.
I'm not the one that will defend him. He's the one that's supposed to defend me. Not that he will just be defending himself. For what
No,
reason?
wait.
So since when we are together, he's not offend me at all. He's not doing what is not good
Wait
to me.
now.
Ha.
But have he ever chased you out of the house? Have he cheated on you? You don't catch am with any woman. How many times he don catch you with someone? So they even catch you where Shegu dey wear boxers. What's that? Stop that nonsense. How many times? Why will you be doing like this? Shegu dey live here. I no even know the Shegu. You carry your husband boxers give am. I no wan talk this thing wey you hear. You still get mad dey pursue your husband comot. Instead you go beg. Asubapin Hojo. Instead you go beg.
I beg, madam.
That man is going nowhere.
He's going out.
You go talk how much you put for the house. Oga, come outside.
Oga,
Shey the whole key dey work, abi?
So when I get to court, I'll go and explain myself.
Are you sure that no man is inside? The whole key dey work.
If they work, I let me tell that taxi man make him reverse me and pack my things.
You are not packing your things, Oga.
Because I tire for this.
Oga, you are not packing.
I tire for
Oga, why are you crying?
I tire for
No, I want to know why are you crying? Crying for who? Jesus Christ, wetin dey happen for
this
this?
one go poison me inside house now.
Why you not crying? How? Hey,
Please, come and
Jesus
go.
Christ.
You know what I can do, so let him
God
go.
will judge you.
Let him go.
This thing you are doing, God will judge you.
He will judge you.
God will judge you. God will judge you.
And you-
Oga, don't pack anything
You are
out.
going to pack your things away.
He's
from
packing
me.
nothing.
Thank God that you are not living here with us.
He's
You are
packing
not
nothing.
share. So
Why
just
you
tell him,
wicked?
if you love him very, tell him to go with you. Please, madam.
Which one? be
Oga,
gate
you are
key?
packing
No.
nothing.
I know what I'm
You
doing.
are packing
now,
nothing.
me and I go settle now. Which one be gate key? Make
Oga, you go inside, go dey cry. Why you are packing nothing?
Which one
Let me show you the gate key.
No give am any key. No give am any key.
Why you change my locks?
Don't ask him that one, please.
Why do you change the locks? Tell the Obama, make the man they go.
Tell him to give me the key.
Give which key? Which key?
You know, if she go fit send assassin to me for night, that shall you know whether the boy na assassin wey dem go come kill me for this house. I no comot.
Not true. So if only you dey this house now, body go sweet you. You go happy. You will be happy, right? Tell us not my brother. For him way.
Tell me that you cannot open that gate. Oh yeah.
No be the key be this.
No be the key. Okay, madam, where is the gate key?
No be the key be this.
The red one, I saw him using one red head of key.
I thought you go along with it before. So why
He will go
asking me?
with it. He will go with it. It's his house. If na me sef, I don't even need to ask you for gate. If I come here, I go fly enter. I go fly fence enter.
Man, they go.
Two they go where?
Give me the gate key.
Madam, where is the gate key, please? I don't have this strength.
Small entrance. The key for the small entrance na be this. The one for the big gate.
Okay, give am the gate. Madam, give am the gate
You see
key.
make I
Come on,
comot. You no dey here.
I didn't see that.
Okay, why you give am key now? I don't understand.
She wan point the key to me.
Now you dey do wetin dey do you, oga. Wetin happen? I collect key from person, you give am key. I no understand. Why you no go give am before? Why you no go give am? Na you and I dey do that one o.
No be your fault, yeah. Na me love. Stupid love. Abeg, give me gate key.
Madam, give am the gate key,
I don't
abeg.
see the key anymore.
You didn't see
You
it.
go along with the key.
Abeg, check whether key dey that place. Go along with which key? God of mercy. Madam, are you not ashamed of this thing you're
I'm
doing?
not ashamed of my what.
Is your friend going to advise? Your
You don't know what
friend.
is happening. Please don't.
Oh yeah, talk to me. Let me hear you.
Don't
Wetin
come out.
happen? Oh yeah, talk to me. Na the key be that. Wetin dey happen? Tell me. The man dey maltreat you. Talk to me. He don't talk him own. I hear. Talk your own. Make I hear. He dey maltreat you.
You don't know how to handle me.
You don't know how to handle you. How?
Yes.
How?
You don't know how
Talk.
to handle a wife inside the house.
No,
So
talk.
please.
That's just the
5
problem.
rounds no be handle. You come 3 times out of 5 when me I come. It never do you. Abeg, madam, let me tell this Uber guy. Give me gate key. I no wan touch you.
No, don't worry.
If you see me as 6 months ago, I add weight. See me now. No be work where I dey go, they make me slim like this. Now this thing they make me slim like this.
Okay,
This
now.
idiot.
Okay now.
I will give myself one drop of spam. No dey my body again.
Madam, wetin you want? Na the shegu dey do am well. If you no do well, you go teach am now. Na the shegu
You
dey
don't
do
have
am
my
well.
time. Every time travel here.
If you no go this work wey you dey go, how you wan take shop?
I don't even have time for his wife. Or if you come home,
Segun.
maybe a once in a month.
This shegu sef, you be like say I go go meet this shegu.
This man
Even like say I go meet this
only
shegu.
once in a month. You've not even stayed more than 5 minutes. You go back.
I'm always at home
For
for 2
what?
weeks. Once I come back
Which
from
kind
work,
of 2
I'm
weeks?
inside
You
the
stay
house.
inside this.
You don't know you work before you marry
I'm
am.
always
staying
I'm
here.
always sitting down in the bedroom, not the parlor.
You no know you work before you
Not
marry
like this
am.
before I marry him.
Without cloth.
For
You know they work the work. You know they work 2 weeks in,
It's
2
not
weeks out
the-
before you marry am.
This is not the way you used to do. I beg, madam.
So how is he doing now that you don't like, you want chase
Already
man,
complain to
you
him
want
every
chase
time.
man comot from
We
his
tell him that
house?
he's going to adjust. He's going to adjust.
True,
I
she
don't see the
dey she dey
adjustment.
fuck outside. She dey fuck outside. She dey even bring them come house come fuck.
Ha.
I meet the guy on top sofa around 10 o'clock,
Madam.
like 9:45.
You know say you don't catch you with 2 different men
Before
for
I dey
this
shame to
house.
look camera, I no dey shame to look camera again. Make
The
you
Two
first one
different
is my
man.
Hear
brother.
am.
The second is my friend.
Oga, inside the person na him brother, the one wey you catch am
Second one
apart from Femi.
is my friend.
Oh, the first one na your friend, second one na your brother, third one na who? Femi. So who is Femi?
Segun.
Okay, Shegu.
Segun.
I no know their name, no verse. So who is Shegu? Brother wey your husband no know. You no marry, you no pay her a bride price. You no see, na him brother be that. Na him brother be that.
She's from Ondo. The guy is from Badagry.
So how e take relate to you?
I don't know.
Relation by.
Oga, you're not packing anything. Hold the key. Hold the key. It's your house.
Me and you go meet in court.
It's your
I never
house
get your
first.
time.
First of all, it's
When
your
I get, I
house.
will explain myself.
Explain here, let me hear, because I'm posting you. I'm posting you because you're wicked. I'm posting
I'm not
you.
wicked. If that is what you think, I'm not wicked.
Oh yeah, talk now since you're not wicked.
Talk in the lane.
3 times man catch you. Man catch you, you no even tell you say, okay, you know what, marry again. Now you one come pursue
Now you
come
be
from
pass
house.
now. Now you be the better man.
Wetin you want me to do? Which style I never do? Na cow girl or na doggy?
Go ask your mates. The way they are doing this with their
I don't
wife.
tire. Madam, this is pure wickedness. Oh.
She get mind though.
Don't come tomorrow begging for, please, oh, I want to
Me,
beg my
beg for-
husband, oh, I want
Beg
to
this for-
ask for
for
forgiveness.
what?
Oh. Don't
I'm
come
not
back
going to
home.
beg, madam. I beg.
when the things you are doing now will start working against you,
It's a lie.
when everything will start
a
turning
lie.
against
It's
you,
a lie,
don't
please.
come and don't come o, don't come o.
As in, Mati lu ẹ pa. Ṣé 13 inches mo gbé sábẹ́ yìí ò tó ẹ? 13 inches wey I carry for yansh no reach you.
Abeg o, to fi akwa. Oga, you are not giving anybody the key. You don check the whole key, abi? The whole key is working.
Yeah.
Okay.
Except for this one now, no see this one.
No, you go comot the key. They go, my boys go buy key for you. What? They go buy key. They go change this particular one. They go change am. We go break am.
See as she take attack you when you enter.
Na to, you no even know me. Na to break am. We go. Don't stop looking at me like that. We'll break it and put his own key.
Break what?
Okay. You go
Break
know
what?
now. You be this house.
O ṣe ajayi po kì í ṣọkùnrin.
Are you the owner of
Say
the
you no
house?
be man na the lucky wey you get. I wan close my eye, dream, open my eye back say you don turn to man, I go kill you here.
No be every woman wey dey know the beat o. Sometimes they dey correct their hair because all this one what?
Abeg.
Because this woman go kill you.
You go
Excuse
come
me.
drag me. You go fuck
Excuse
for
me, let me
like
pass.
You're not
Just
passing
like
anywhere.
you.
We are still inside. Where is he going to? Where you wan go? Where you wan go?
the house don dey haunt you. Your conscience don dey prick you.
Oga, go inside your house. It's your house. It's your key. It's your house. You are the one that built it. Or maybe go na that basement. If you do finish, come beat me now. Nah, this life, this life. You know, since when this man don dey tell me, see, look at. I even dey tell am, so okay, maybe you're not doing well. Do this, everything. Now, wow. Today, say na still come. Come see, they see the same thing. Lock person outside, they tell am make him pack comot. I don't understand. Pack from where? Your own house. Your wife dey pursue you from house wey you build. Ha! But me, I will go see the Shengu today. Ma ask Shengu whether if na him dey do this thing, body go sweet am. Body go sweet am. Rubbish people. Come, all they enter the house. None of us get the house in the lie.